It is Shannon Falls. I can say it's a tower waterfall. So let's enjoy together. So friends, here we are and welcome to Shannon Falls. It is Canada's one of the tallest tower waterfalls in British Columbia. So let's explore together. Shannon Falls Provincial Park is located just off the British Columbia's famous Sea to Sky Highway just before arriving in Squamish. The park has a concession and information center located just opposite to the picnic area on the trail. This small center is managed by the park operator and offers food, snacks, park and outdoor recreation information and souvenirs. However, because of the pandemic, hours of operation may vary as we found it to be closed temporarily. The 350-meter trail begins right off the picnic area adjacent to the parking lot and takes you to the base of the falls through old growth Douglas fir, hemlock and western red cedar along Shannon Creek, which leads to the viewpoint. So welcome friends to Canada's one of the tallest tower waterfall, Shannon Falls. So yes, the weather isn't in favor of us. As I was saying this morning, it's still drizzling, it's still raining, and Shannon Falls is one of the scenic spots of British Columbia and surrounding Vancouver. This is around 90 minutes drive from Vancouver. So let's explore. This is a wonderful and amazing natural scenic beauty spots of British Columbia and surrounding Vancouver. So if you are around Vancouver or planning to come to Vancouver anytime soon, please make it a point to visit Shannon Falls, because this is one of the scenic and beauty spots of Vancouver, Canada. The different activities available in the park are rock climbing, cycling, hiking, pets on leash, wildlife viewing and winter recreation. This is a small park and a hidden gem just adjacent to the Squamish Provincial Park. There are viewpoints along the way and even an opportunity to walk into the boulders at the base of Shannon Creek for you to just take off your shoes and soak your feet in the cold waters of the creek below. And the park is home of the third highest tower waterfall in British Columbia. So we are very excited, we are very happy. So the pain that we took from this morning, actually it's worth, because we really like this place. It's a lot of natural beauty, lot of trees, greenery, and yes, the view, there are a couple of other viewpoints. It's amazing. The path is nicely groomed and the park as a whole is just a perfect destination for a family photo or a selfie for your Instagram post. Every corner of the Shannon Falls Provincial Park tells of BC's incomparable natural beauty. The tumbling waters of Shannon Falls originate from Mount Habridge and Mount Sky Pilot. The walk to the falls viewpoint was an easy and gentle climb, and probably the best one with kids. Another outstanding fact about the Shannon Falls Provincial Park is that it is completely wheelchair accessible. I mean, the toilets, picnic tables, drinking fountains, and most importantly, a second trail that provides wheelchair access to the viewpoint. Isn't it amazing? It is always advisable to obey the posted signs and guidelines by the park authority. Huh? Did you see the waterfall, Tojo?
Oh, yes.
Yes, right there. Are you feeling better now?
Yes.
So Tojo was feeling little uneasy while we were up on the mountain road, right? While we were going up. But now you're feeling better.
Yes.
We
I'm
had
gonna
extra
do
clothes.
the video.
Yeah. I'm
And
also
we
feeling
will
very
stand
happy,
on
Tojo.
the video.
Wow, this is really beautiful. This viewpoint affords a spectacular view of the roaring falls. However, you have to be very cautious of the slippery walkways or sudden increase in the volume of water during heavy rains. Besides the amazing view of the waterfall, here are some of the key factors of the Shannon Falls Provincial Water Park. This is completely free. The parking is free. So it has free access, free parking, easy access with parking off the Sea to Sky Highway, easy walk with child, nice nature and amazing waterfall views, wheelchair accessible, drinking fountains, picnic areas, and pit or flush toilets. So these are some of the key factors of the Shannon Falls Provincial Park if you are planning to have a small picnic or a gathering amidst beautiful nature and trees with the stunning view of this Shannon Falls waterfall.